Hi everybody, welcome back. Janet here from Janet's Design. Today we're going to do a little bit different. I'm going to do a blow dryer technique. I'm going to be using 5 different colors today. I already have my base coat down, and that is my base coat, 50% Floetrol, 50% house paint. I think it's Glidden's semi-gloss. So that's all that is. And then I have some royal violet, magenta. I have Deco Art Americana True Blue, canary yellow. I'm going to actually add a little bit of water to that canary yellow. It's a little thick. And then pearl white. Only using pearl white because I had a little extra left over from my previous pour, and I didn't want to throw it away, or so I thought, well, I might as well just use it. It's just white with a little beauty to it. So just find my water and add a little water to this canary because I want it to be a little bit more runny. Not runny, but in consistency. That's better. Because that canary yellow seems to be a little bit thicker. It's apple barrel. One of my first buys when I started painting. So it's here, it needs to be used, and that's better. That's better. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of zigzag things across the canvas. And then we'll go to town with the hairdryer. Okay. I did a round earlier and didn't video it. And was sad that I didn't video it because it actually turned out kind of cool. So kind of wanted to have the yellow and the blue because I kind of wanted a little bit of green in it, but I didn't want to use a green. So I figured this was my best way to actually get my green. Ooh, and that sunk. I'll do another run across there. To push over. Now my hair dryer has the option of going to cool, so my paints were a little thicker the last time, so low did not cut it. I had to turn it on to high. I'm going to try it on low this time and see where that one goes first before I turn it on to high, because I'd rather use low. I have a little bit more control over it than I do on high. So, pardon the noise while the hairdryer goes, and I'll be back with you shortly. So if you can hear me over the hairdryer, great. Otherwise, I'll be back in a second. Oh, better. Way better. I love it. I love the magenta in there. I didn't have the magenta in my last one, which was a round, and I didn't have it in there. So hang on one second. I'm not touching it anymore because it'll mix some. It'll be icky, and I'm not gonna do that. So this is cool. something completely different than what I'm used to doing. All this negative space is kind of freaky to me, but I don't want to blow anymore because the cells are just simply fantastic. So I'm going to take you down for a close-up. If I blow any more on there, I'm going to lose all that cell action that's going on. So look at those beautiful colors. And this is probably going to be my fastest video in history. Wow, totally happy. Totally, totally happy. Way faster than I ever expected. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you can, please subscribe, share, and hit that like button. And also, don't forget to hit that bell so that you can get future videos of mine. So here it is. I will try to show you other paintings in the future. Before I start the video, I'll go to my other paintings that I've done before, and so you can see what the dried results are. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Thank you.